Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Chat for Asana tasks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Google Chat for Asana tasks, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Asana website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the workspace where you want to integrate Google Chat. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Admin Console. In the Admin Console, look for the Apps section. Click on Apps, then select Google Workspace. Next, find Google Chat in the list and click on it. Scroll down to the Settings for Google Chat section. Here, you'll see an option for Manage Chat APIs. Click on Manage Chat APIs to proceed with the integration. Now, locate the Asana app in the list of available integrations. Click on the Asana app to open its settings. You will need to authorize Asana to access your Google Chat account. Click on the Authorize button. A new window will open, prompting you to log in with your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. You may be asked to allow certain permissions for Asana. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow to proceed. Once authorized, return to the Asana app settings. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that Google Chat is now connected to Asana. To test the integration, go back to your Google Chat. Open a chat where you want to send an Asana task. Type in the command to create a new Asana task. Follow the prompts to specify the task details. After entering the information, send the message. Check your Asana account to confirm that the task has been created successfully. With that, you've successfully authenticated Google Chat for Asana tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.